was that you in the video?
Yeah, that was me in the video. But that was for the girl I was dating at the time. And she ended up getting her phone stolen.
You didn't give anybody permission to release this video, Cordell. This is not something that you wanted out on the internet for everybody in the world to see.
This was given to the girl I was dating, the lady I was talking to. Her phone was stolen.
Right. I want people to be very clear that this is not something that you released in any way.
No.
I want people to know that you did not put this out there.
Not
this
at all,
is something
bro.
that was private to you and a girl you were dating and was taken from you.
Yes, it was taken from me.
Do you have any plans to go after this person?
Well, most definitely. I have my lawyers and everybody in place because we're going to get down to the middle of it.
The narrative, at least that I saw, was this is Cordell sending a video to another man. How do you respond to that?
It's bullshit. I don't mess with no dudes. I'll say it again. You know, society has changed to back in the day when you talk about men being with other men, it won't be accepted these days. But out of respect to people in their lives that they live, because it's not about me attacking anyone else. It's about who I am.
Right.
You know, and as a man, all I have is my word. And when I say what I say, I mean it from a standpoint, especially when it comes to how I live my life. And that's not how I live my life.
Do you want to say who took the video? Not who you were dating, but do you want to say who took the phone? Who stole the phone?
I have no idea.
You don't know. Okay.
No one has an idea, but she, of course, she knows.
Okay.
Because she met with the person because she was supposed to meet with the girl that I was dating, but she ended up meeting with someone else. This comes directly from my ex, 100% from my ex. Nowhere else, because you're not going to text my phone and tell me that the person you were supposed to see, which was the girl I was dating, wasn't, you know, you're going to see her. Then all of a sudden you come back to tell me she wasn't there. But yet at the same time, you tell me that she and I need to get our PR person and our attorney so that we can handle this because she's supposed to go on Wendy Williams and release something and saying it's going to get really ugly to the point where, you know, she also comes back and mentions some to the extent of, you know, tell her it's prepare for war, you know, like,
yeah.
He's mad at the girl, but she don't know the girl doesn't know her. So why would you go out of your way to try to incriminate someone that you don't know? I mean, and on top of that, taking information that you got from someone else that was a stolen cell phone and take this and put this out here like this, it couldn't have come from anywhere else.
If you like what you just saw and you want to see more videos of your favorite athletes, crazy stories, and just all the best off-the-field stuff, subscribe to the TMZ Sports YouTube channel.
The subscribe button is right here, and check out more of our exclusive content right here.